In this video, you will learn how to solve rational equations with different denominators. So let's solve some sample problems here. We're given negative 2 over 7 plus 5 over x minus 3 equals negative 8 over x minus 3. We just have to solve for the value of x. Okay, we can simplify both the expressions on the left and the right. We can combine these expressions and isolate the variable x. Since the expression on the right is already simplified, we just need to simplify the expression on the left. Now we have negative 2 over 7 plus 5 over x minus 3. So we need to get the LCD of this expression here. So our LCD would be 7 times x minus 3. So 7 times x minus 3 divided by 7 is x minus 3 multiplied by the denominator, which is negative 2. And then copy the operator sign plus. Then the next expression, 7 times x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 is 7 multiplied by 5, our numerator. Okay, and then we just copy the expression on the right. Okay, then let's simplify the numerator. So we just have to distribute negative 2 to x minus 3. We multiply it to each of the terms. So that is negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Then negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Plus 7 times 5 is 35 over 7 times x minus 3 equals negative 8 over x minus 3. Then simplifying the numerator further, that would be negative 2x. We can combine 6 and 35. That is 41. So plus 41 over 7 times x minus 3 equals negative 8 over x minus 3. And then we can multiply both sides by x minus 3. Okay, then we are left with, negative 2x plus 41 over 7 equals negative 8. And then multiplying both sides by 7, okay, and we have negative 2x plus 41 equals negative 8 times 7. Okay, and then negative 2x plus 41 equals negative 56. Subtracting 41 from both sides. Okay, we're left with negative 2x equals negative 56 minus 41 is just negative 97. And then to solve for x, we just have to divide both sides by negative 2. Okay, therefore the value of our x is, our value of our x is 97 over 2. Okay, which is an improper fraction, and you can always write that in decimal form or as a mixed number. Okay, let's solve another problem here. Okay, we're given here negative 4 over x plus 1 minus 3 over x minus 2 equals negative 7 over x squared minus x minus 2. And we need to solve for the value of x. So on the right expression, on the right, we have a denominator which is a quadratic equation. So we can just factor it, and on the left we can simplify it further. So let's work on the left first. So our LCD here would be x plus 1 times x minus 2. So x plus 1 times x minus 2 divided by x plus 1. We have x minus 2 times the numerator, which is negative 4. Then copy the operator sign, which is minus. Okay. Then x plus 1 times x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. We have x plus 1 times the numerator, which is 3. Okay. Then equals negative 7 over. So we can factor x squared minus x minus 2. So we look for factors of 2 that when we multiply them, it would equal to negative 2. And when we add them, it would equal to negative 1 because the coefficient of the middle term is equal to negative 1. So we can use negative 2 and 1. Okay, it will be x minus 2 times x plus 1. You can always check this, multiply them by using the FOIL method. Okay, multiplying the first terms, outside terms, inner terms, and the last terms. Right? All right. Now let's simplify the numerator on the expression on the left. So we multiply or we distribute negative 4 to x minus 2. So this is just negative 4x because negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Then negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8 minus, okay, 3 times x. This is 3x plus 3 times 1 is 3. So you just have to distribute 3 here. Okay, over x plus 1 times x minus 2 equals 7, negative 7 over x minus 2 times x plus 1. Then simplifying this further, this would give us, okay, we can group like terms negative 4x and negative 3x because this would become negative 3x. So negative 4x plus negative 3x is negative 7x. Then 8 plus negative 3. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So this is plus 5 over x plus 1 times x minus 2 equals negative 7 over x minus 2 times x plus 1. Okay, so let's delete this. Have you noticed that both of the expressions on the left and right, they have the same denominators now? So we can just simply multiply both sides by x plus 1 times x minus 2. Then we have negative 7x plus 5 equals negative 7. And then subtracting 5 from both sides, we have negative 7x equals negative 12. And then solving for x, we divide both sides by negative 7. So the value of our x is equal to 12 over 7, which is also an improper fraction. And you can always write this in decimal form or a mixed number form. Okay, let's solve another problem here. Okay, we're given 7 over 2 minus 8 over x minus 6 equals 7 over x minus 6. Okay, the expression on the right is already simplified, so we just have to simplify the one on the left. So we get the LCD for this one, which is 2 times x minus 6. So 2 times x minus 6 divided by 2 is just x minus 6 times the numerator, which is 7. Then copy the operator sign, minus, and 2 times x minus 6 divided by x minus 6 is 2 times 8 equals 7 over x minus 6. Then we can simplify the numerator here. We distribute 7 to x minus 6. That is 7 times x is 7x minus 42 minus 16 over 2 times x minus 6 equals 7 over x minus 6. Then we have 7x. Negative 42 minus 16 is just negative 58 over 2 times x minus 6 equals 7 over x minus 6. Then we can simplify this further by multiplying both sides by x minus 6. We are left with 7x minus 58 over 2 equals 7. And then we multiply both sides by 2. We have 7x minus 58 equals 7 times 2. So 7x minus 58 equals 14. And adding 58 to both sides, okay, we have 7x equals 14 plus 58 is just equal to 72. Solving for x, divide both sides by 7. Therefore, the value of x is just equal to 72 over 7. So x here is equal to 72 over 7, which is an improper fraction, and you can always write this in decimal form or mixed number form. I hope you understood everything, and I hope you'd be able to solve rational equations on your own.